Leave a message if there's an answering machine.
No, I don't think it will.
Most places have answering machines.
Nickelodeon magazine, please.
What year commercial are you looking at?
The '97 one.
So you look for try to.
And are you signing out again?
Yeah, apparently.
Just the subject reading Nickelodeon magazine is very amused, very entertained, while the subject reading the herring is, well, not. To get Nickelodeon...
Oh. Alright, 1-800-832-6100. Colin.
Nickelodeon magazine, please.
Wait, I need to have a grown-up call.
You're a grown up.
You're grown up now.
This number just keeps ringing too.
You've reached hot, steamy babes.
And Nickelodeon magazine.
Hot, steamy Nickelodeon babes.
Nickelodeon
1993.
Nickelodeon illustrated swimsuit issue.
Let's check out the girl reading the herring. ICS. Yeah, where's the number?
What do we get?
It was always at the end. Oh god, those old...
Wait, no.
High school, wait, see what else? TV VCR repair. Really?
Oh, I got it. I'm signing up for TV VCR repair.
Let's do this.
I'm gonna call right now.
You should get into that field because it's gonna take off.
It's gonna go places.
Right now, it's not that big of a deal here in the early 90s, but you just wait till the 2010s roll around.
They'll need VCR repairmen up the ass.
When they make YouTube, I'm putting this video up there. If they ever make YouTube.
Hi, is this the ICS school for technical college?
ICS?
Yes, I was calling about the TV VCR repair program.
Oh, please.
Hello?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, this is ICS. Hold on, please. I'm just getting the information for you.
See, well,
I saw the commercial on TV for the TV VCR repair, and I was just wondering if that was still a program.
Yes, it is. Hold on, please. You were calling about the TV repair?
Yeah, the TV VCR repair.
mostly the VCR.
We do have an electrician, but I'm not seeing the TV VCR repair.
Oh.
I have PC maintenance and repair,
This
and
is
also have electrician.
This is a commercial from '92, so I wasn't sure. I'm just catching up.
Hello?
Hi. No, I guess it's a commercial from like the early '90s. I was just catching up on some of my TV watching. I don't get a lot of time to watch, so I just saw it on there, and I thought it was a program I could sign up for. But that's all right.
Okay. Well, let me give you the customer service number. They're available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and they can fill you in all the details of the courses they have and the electrics that we have.
Oh, okay. Do you know what the number is?
The number is 1-800.
Okay.
747
Okay.
6951.
6951.
Yes.
Okay, so they'll be able to help me out with that VCR repair course?
Yes. And if not, refer you to something that they may have in place.
All right, you've been very helpful.
Okay, well, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
So it's like not funny. It's like depressing. Like really, it's kind of just
that commercial we've been pounded with for all these years is still
well, it's not even that for me. It's just kind of depressing. Like just the thought of somebody who really.
Why are they answering the phone at 1 o'clock in the morning?
because they're in college.
Nobody even goes to ICS.
Apparently they do.
They come to you, I think. ICS comes to you.
Whoa. Whoa. International Community School of Atlanta. Actually, there's also the ICS Canada. Oh, no, that's not...
They probably still fix VCRs there.
In Canada.
Let's give them a call. Where's their contact us?
That'd be international.
Oh, no, they've got a 1-800 number.
It's just weird because if I was working there and you call, that'd be like bullshit.
It was a place she doesn't understand.
He said that.
Well, I'm sorry. I told her I was catching up on my old tapes. It was one of the things I know.
It's probably believable.
There's got to be a better one we can call.
Tenors. Attract some black people.
I subconsciously hurt my ancestors.
No, we've said our prayers. We can eat Denny's food now without going to hell.
Why'd you record that?